Today we're going to be going over news about AMC stock with the SEC and whistleblowers. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please comment how many shares of AMC you have, how many shares of AMC you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you guys want to see our public stock portfolio and also want a free stock that could be worth all the way up to $70 of one of your favorite companies, then go ahead and get signed up with the first link in our description and follow us on public at It's Finance Bro. With all that out of the way, let's get straight into the stock for today. AMC or AMC Entertainment. So here we are on AMC stock. We actually left off the day at about $32.70, down 2% this last Friday, but I think we could be possibly going much higher after this news come Monday or tomorrow when you're seeing this video. As you guys can see here on WSBtrackers.com, this is a place that tracks how many times a stock is being mentioned on Wall Street Bets and the percentage of how much the stock is being talked about. You can see here that AMC has increased each of the last 3 days. So talk about AMC is really ramping up on Wall Street Bets. I mean, it always is, but it's really high today. And then as you can see here on StockTwits, if you take a look at ranking, you can actually see that AMC is the #1 most active stock on StockTwits also. So talk is really ramping up on AMC. So let's get straight into the news for today. We have a few Reddit threads that we're going to be going over from replies from senators and then also the SEC. So let's go over this. So this is from Zioki TX Diamond Hands, and he said, just for any hedgies shills out there trolling the sub, that's an average of 5 million. Think of how much AMC you could buy with that. So let's go over this. So Gary Gensler tweeted at SEC Gov awarded approximately $950 million to 193 individuals through the whistleblower program. Our whistleblower program helps us to be better cops on the beat, execute our mission, and protect investors from misconduct. So what does this mean? And then he also linked the sec.gov/whistleblower. This means that the SEC is looking for whistleblowers for AMC. They are trying to be cops for Wall Street, make this a fair game for us, and they are looking for whistleblowers. So they're basically saying, hey, if anyone knows anything, put it in the whistleblower and you can get some money out of this. So people involved in these, alleged schemes against AMC, they could be getting talked to by the SEC after a whistleblower fesses up and collects that nice check from the SEC. So yeah, this is basically something very, very, very important for AMC stock right now, because if a whistleblower does come forward, that means short squeeze to the freaking moon. So yeah, now let's go on to another sub. So this is a reply from a senator about 23 weeks ago. Someone emailed a senator, and the senator actually got back to them. So let's go over this. Dear Mr. He obviously blocked out his name. Thank you for reaching out to me, expressing your concerns about the corruption that has taken place on Wall Street. For too long, Wall Street has been able to take advantage of retail investor and making the market work for itself and not the average working American. The recent market trading of GameStop and other related stocks shows not only how Americans are interested in investing, but also how much they are risking an unfair system. Although some retail investors may have had success buying those stock, brokerage firms, hedge funds, and other market participants use the system and the broad interest in those stocks to their own advantage. When customers of Robinhood and other brokers were suddenly subject to trading restrictions and prevented from purchasing GameStop and other stocks, it magnified the feeling of an unfairness. Then when GameStop and other stocks crashed in February, many real people lost money. People on Wall Street only care about the rules when they're the ones getting hurt. American workers have known for years that Wall Street system is broken. They've been paying the price. The average American does not have corporate lobbyists and lawyers to protect their interests. So this is obviously a email from Senator Sherrod Brown, and they believe that, hey, we know that Wall Street is a bit corrupt, and we are doing our best to, make this a fair system. So we could have some, relief that there are people out there that are trying to look out for our best interest, and they're trying to fight against these Wall Street, massive hedge funds. But yeah, so we have that reply from the senator, and then we also have that whistleblower from the SEC. So overall, we could be seeing some really cool things happening in the near future. Alright, and now for everyone's favorite part of the video, let's get into some technical analysis on AMC. So obviously we have this whistleblower thing, and we also have that email from the senator. But what is going to be going on with AMC going on into next week? Well, let's try to make some sense of this. So we can see that AMC actually did make a low since their initial run up this week at $29. But going into next week, this is what I'm going to be looking out for. Obviously, they have this catalyst coming up of the earnings call coming, I believe, is it after hours on the 9th? I can't remember. It might be after hours Monday. I can't remember. But we do have this these two resistance and support lines to go off of. So we have a weekly resistance line at about $35. We also have a support line at $29. So whatever way this breaks is going to dictate whether AMC is in a bullish or bearish trend. So if AMC goes below the support line of $29 this week, or opens below it, we will probably be in a bearish trend unless earnings can just kill. If we can get above $35, we can start that new bullish trend and maybe even try to make our way up to $40 at that next resistance line. But yeah, this is something very huge you guys have to be looking out for. Make sure that AMC is staying above $29 or staying below and going above $35. If it's not, we might be in a bearish trend for the week. I know that most of you are most likely going to be holding AMC no matter what, even if it goes below $29, but these are some things just to go over the trends for some people that might be trading AMC rather than just investing in it. So yeah, resistance line at 35. If we go above that, we're bullish. Support line at 29. If we go below that, we're probably going to be bearish. We also have that catalyst of the earnings call coming up, and yeah, it's all you really need to know going into this week. And that is pretty much going to be it for today's video. What do you guys think about this whistleblower in that email from the senator? Let me know in the comment section below. If you guys did find this to be valuable, then go ahead and comment anything down below. Just one comment really helps get this video out there so other people can hear about this whistleblower situation and everything like that. That's going to be pretty much it for today. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Consider turning on post notifications. And my name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.